Hi Viviana, how you doing? I've got your work up here for Ecos, and I want to take a look at the trade show booth. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go and take a look over here. I've got open the project requirements, and we'll just take a look and see where what you're doing well and what you might need to improve upon. Now, one of the things I noticed is that none of the work is labeled. In other words, oh, this is spelled incorrectly too. That should be BOOTH. That's trade show booth. Um, so one of the things I think that you need to do is describe everything. See right here, in the presentation should include the following items. Number one on that list is an explanation of the project and the purpose. And I didn't see that. And I think that really puts the viewer at a disadvantage because, you know, we got the logo, page one, page two, the trade show booth, page three, printed collateral with using placeholder text, Greeking, so there's no information there, and then clear onto the 3D giveaway. We just don't know what's going on. So in other words, I think a good solid explanation of the project and purpose is in order. Then you also were required to give us the preliminary sketches and brainstorming ideas. And you've done all this stuff, and we've done this stuff throughout the week. So you have it. You just have to go back and compile it. Then the final drawing of the trade show booth. And that's supposed to be done in Illustrator. Oh, this certainly looks like it's been lifted from Photoshop or something. So in other words, this isn't meeting the requirements. Let me show you an example of what you could do for a trade show booth. I mean, you can just mock this up in Illustrator. This was actually done in Illustrator, believe it or not. So it's pretty nice. I mean, there's just a bunch of ideas online of how you can actually mock up your trade show booth. This one's really super straightforward and simple. There was another one. Oh, this one right here. You got the desk, you got the backdrop for your design, you got the desk to hand out your collateral, you got your lighting, and that's it, really. So, you know, I'd like to see you draw that out in Illustrator, and also don't forget to give a materials list and describe why it is sustainable, why these materials are sustainable. This looks like chrome right here, and these look like almost like they could be like vinyl chairs. So I'm not real sure what the excuse me, what the materials are here. Excuse me. Okay, and then your printed collateral. This is a gatefold, which is a really awesome idea. It's just not complete. There's just, you know, you have your lorem ipsum in here, so you're just not giving any information at all. And without any information, of course, it's an incomplete project. And then, of course, we just need some descriptions here of the 3D giveaway. Now, I want to just, since you're going to be turning in week 6 next week. Come on. I just want to come down here and I want to show you something. What's due for week 6? So you have to write an introductory paragraph of why you believe sustainable design is important to the future. And then you need to cite your sources on that. In other words, you need to research. Then you have to create a multi-page PDF and include a page that includes a paragraph summarizing the importance of sustainable design, a page that includes an overview of the final project, thumbnails and roughs for each component, a final computer rendering of the trade show booth, and a paragraph of how you considered sustainability and materials for the trade show booth. Final drawing of the 3D giveaway and a paragraph of how you considered sustainability and the design and materials for that. And then, of course, the final PDF file, a photo of the collateral piece, as well as a paragraph of how you considered sustainability and the design and materials of that. So that I think is really where we got to get the assignment, you know, more adhering to the sustainability objectives of the project. Okay? And if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a holler. Thank you.